to the people go by.
Your birds are beautiful.
Want to hold one?
Yeah, I do.
Nice sleeve.
Oh, wow. Boy or girl?
That's the boy. This is the girl. That's Hugs and this is Kisses.
Hugs and kisses.
Yeah, he's going to go on your head.
Cool, cool.
Put it underneath you. Whoop. You guys are flying
Hugs,
today, huh? Hugs.
Hugs is the guy.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Kisses is the girl,
buddy.
but just watch him with this other dog over here because I don't know if they fly how other dogs are going to be around.
I gotcha, yeah.
Okay.
Oh, there you go.
So
Just
that's a
chill there.
$350 snack.
Yeah, I know how to watch out for dogs. I had to deal with a pit bull for a while. There you go.
Lovey, it's okay. The dog's not going to hurt your bird. That dog's not going to hurt your bird. Hey, Lovey. Lovey, good girl.
This is so sick, man.